In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host webinars in Zoho Meeting. If you're planning an online event for a larger audience and want tools like registration, polls, and Q&A, Zoho's webinar mode is exactly what you need. It's different from regular meetings. Webinars are built for broadcasting to many attendees while keeping control of who presents and how participants interact. One important note right up front: you can't convert a regular meeting into a webinar after it's created, so make sure you choose Webinar from the start. Begin by signing in and heading to the Webinars section. Click the option to schedule a new webinar, then fill in the essentials: your title or topic, the date and time, and a clear description that tells people what they'll learn. Pay special attention to the time zone if your audience spans multiple regions. You can also add co-organizers who will help run the session. Co-organizers can launch polls, manage Q&A, and even present, which is great when you want a smooth flow without juggling everything yourself. When you're done, save the webinar. Once it's scheduled, Zoho generates a registration link. Share that link in emails, on your website, or across social channels. Attendees will register with their name and email, and they'll receive a unique join link automatically. Make sure your registration page sets clear expectations. Include the agenda, who it's for, and any prerequisites. A short reminder closer to the start time boosts attendance. When it's time to go live, start the webinar from the Zoho Meeting interface as the organizer. A quick tech check helps. Confirm your microphone, camera, and screen share are working, and keep unnecessary apps closed. During the session, you can share slides or your screen, broadcast audio and video, launch polls to keep people engaged, respond to questions in the Q&A panel, and promote selected attendees to presenters if you want them to share content. Use chat and hand-raising to guide interaction while keeping the session orderly. Record the webinar so anyone who missed it can watch later. After the session, you can view the recording online, download it, or share a link with attendees and registrants. This is also the perfect time to look at your data. Zoho provides detailed reports on who registered and attended, how long they stayed, poll responses, Q&A logs, and overall engagement. You can export these insights to CSV or XLS for deeper analysis. Use the results to refine your content, follow up with leads based on their participation, and plan an even better webinar next time.